My name is Huang Huiyu. My favorite sport is basketball. I began to play basketball when I was junior high school student. I always play basketball with my friends on the weekends. I think basketball is a very good sport. Which can make me know the importance of teamwork.
我要拍这个呢，这样好吗？
举头像。
Online game is my hobby. Many people like this online game they call LOL. I spend 2 hours to 5 hours on this game every day. I know that it's crazy to do this, but I can control myself.
Okay.
Rachel is my super idol because he not only can write many good songs but also can direct the movie. I think he is a person who have many ability.